the attorney comes, we'll get you an opportunity to speak if necessary to. Good morning to you all. Good morning, Mr. Soroki. Who's your client?
How are you doing?
What's your name, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. Detective Caban, I'm here on a case for Galloway.
Detective. All right, Detective Caban, I have to check in. I'll give them a grace period until 10 o'clock.
I don't know anything about this case.
No recollection?
No, sir.
I'll mark you as no recollection.
No problem.
Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. I'll still check in.
Thank you, sir. No.
See, the officer got the MO to come to court on time.
Pardon me?
Not
The
yet.
officers got the MO to come to court on time. I see 15 officers in here. Or something.
Yeah, I take them in the order that they came in, officers included. So, who's your client, Mr. Soroki?
I have 4 trials up today. Pershawn Gordon.
One name at a time, please.
Okay. Pershawn Gordon.
They're here. I'm gonna put them in the breakout room.
I'm on my regular computer, so I can see them anyways. I can see who's in the room. Okay. The next is Jasmine.
Gordon.
Excuse me?
Gordon, I only see one case scheduled for trial.
I'll be with you in a second. I got you.
Go ahead. Who's the next one?
Okay, Jasmine Munoz.
Jocelyn Munoz. I saw the officer came. The officers here for Munoz. We can get that done.
Okay, Alexander Gray.
Hold on one second. Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, Judge.
Don't matter.
Gray, Alexander Gray.
Yes.
And then who's the last one?
Hiram Long.
Long.
Yes.
All right, that's to cut off the officers. Formal hearing. Hiram Long.
No, you're fine.
Gordon, I'm gonna bring in, I'm gonna put Gordon in 6, I'm gonna put Munoz in 7. I'm gonna put I'd bring bring in 8. Mr. Gordon, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Good morning.
Or this is Portia Gordon, Pershawn Gordon. Good morning. Good morning. Pershawn Gordon, hear me?
Hey, yes, sir, Judge.
Good morning, Jim. I'll put you in breakout room 6. Your attorney's here. Wait on him in that room, okay? He's not going to forget about you. Just sit tight, please.
Okay, sir. Good morning
All right.
again.
Good to you. Ms. Munoz,
Yes.
good morning to you. Wait on your
Good morning.
attorneys. I'm gonna put you in room 7, okay? Wait on him. Good morning to you. Just sit tight. He won't forget about you, all right?
Hey, thank you.
Join the room. Miss Orts Bring.
That's right.
Right?
You got it correct. Thank you.
All right, there we go. Good morning to you. Your attorney is here. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8, okay?
Thank you. Good morning.
Miss Barrett, who's your client again?
He said he was zooming in.
What is his name?
Stephen LeBrie.
Stephen LeBrie. On Zoom user, good morning to you.
Good morning,
What is your name, please, sir?
Stephen LeBrie, Your Honor.
There he is. Your attorney is here. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 9, okay?
Okay,
Your attorney's gonna come see you. She won't forget about you. It may
Okay.
take a minute. Sit tight, please.
thank you, sir.
And good morning. All right, you ready to go? We'll start letting them in. Is that Officer Wilson here?
Yes, Judge. Ready, Judge?
Your Honor, just checking, do you have the leak file? That's the one council was here on. I think it was set for yesterday.
They bringing it up from the warrant.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Oh, it's coming in. It was scheduled.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies, and no speaking while the judge is speaking. Please take heed to the instructions. Good morning. Court is in session.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Officer Wilson. All right, good morning, everyone. Let me say this to me. We're gonna try to do the best we can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. You're scheduled for trial today. It'll be, I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. The officer doesn't appear, we'll get you in a breakout room with the attorney, all right? That being said, are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus, Robert Earl Greer III, case number SP 1756775 here in the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Robert Earl O'Quinn.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. He had a formal hearing on that one ticket. I'll took care of that before. He has a block, that amounted to a block in traffic, but, let's see, yeah, that was amended. He still, so we're just talking about the, one ticket on the docket. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Greer an updated offer. Mr. Greer, if you don't like the offer, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right? So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, please. Oh, let me make sure that he wasn't supposed to assign an attorney on. No. Join the room. Let's pass the matter. See if Trace O'Quinn and O'Quinn, Jericho, I believe that's his brother.
Yep.
Both of you brothers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
And were you guys were waiting on a lawyer?
I had a lawyer. I got a lawyer attorney yesterday. I mean, on the first.
They called yesterday. Who was the lawyer?
He called me the other. He called me the other day. His name was Aaron Ogletree.
Yeah, he's here. All right. And then who called you, Mr. Who is that? Jericho O'Quinn?
Yeah, that's Jericho Quinn speaking.
Where's Robert O'Quinn got assigned Aaron Ogletree as well?
No, I don't think so.
What about Robert O'Quinn?
He ain't. I don't know who he got.
I only spoke to the attorney at the last hearing. That's the only time I spoke to someone.
All right, I'm gonna put Jericho O'Quinn in breakout room. Wait on Mr. Ogletree. And then Robert O'Quinn, I'm gonna see what happened with that.
All right.
All right, go to room 9. Jericho.
I say room 10. I say room 10.
It says room 10.
Yeah.
All right, go to room 10, please.
All right.
All right. Ogletree, are you there? Mr. Ogletree? And then Robert O'Quinn, we need to find out if he didn't get a call. I'm gonna get you one on the spot now.
This is loud on the camera.
Mr. Love, you have to be quiet, please. Mute your device. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Carisha Green, case number SP 1727711. Here for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Green. State your name for the record.
Arisha Green.
Time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Green, put you in a breakout with Ms. Bradfield. Ms. Green is gonna come see you, get you in the offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
I already did that the first time, I thought.
I'll speak to her again.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Wonderful, Brad. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, was there a request for an appointed attorney for Ms. Green?
Oh, no, I didn't see one in the file. Do we have a file? Are
I didn't hear that.
Commissioner Green? Oh, did you? Oh, there was a request for an attorney. We'll find out. We'll see if we can get, see who that attorney is going to be, please. James Love, you're represented by Mr. Green. City of Detroit versus Derek D. Green, case number SP 1724281. Here for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Green. Please state your name for the record.
Right.
Purposes of arraignment, my client.
You got it's summer again going on with your devices, Sarah, so you need to speak up. Can't really hear you.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Sarah. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I have no issue with setting SB 170000991 aside. If the city has no objection to it, is a 16 to 20 mile an hour over the speed limit that went into the fall. All right, join the breakout room, Mr. Green. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Pass the matter. All right, on the telephone at 313-457-7678. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hiram Long?
Hiram Long.
Long, yes.
Want to see who's here for Hiram Long? The attorney is
Officer
here.
Iannetta is here for Mr. Long.
Okay, good morning, Officer Iannetta. Attorney is here for you, Mr. Long. I'll put you in a breakout room as soon as I find out who that attorney is.
Okay.
Ms. Bradfield for Ms. Green, she was supposed to be appointed a lawyer. That's why she's back today. I don't think you've had that. A lawyer has contacted you. Is that correct, Ms. Green?
I'm putting her, yeah, she did tell me that. I'm putting her contact information in the chat box.
So what I'm gonna do is we have the contact information. What I'm gonna do is give me a minute, Ms. Green, to get that lawyer in here on the spot, all right? All right, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Monier. Give me the correct Mioni. Give me the correct pronunciation, please.
Miani Gardner.
Miani Gardner, good morning to you. This is City of Detroit versus Miani Gardner, case number SB 172-90381, SB 174-5363, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Gardner. State your name for the record, please.
Miani Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gardner. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Were you waiting on a lawyer as well? Let's see. You are as well. And you have not had any contact with the lawyer either, have you?
No.
All right. Yeah, they need to hurry up. I mean, the file is in there. All right, let's pass the matter.
Put some messages in the chat box for you, Miss Gardner.
Okay.
I don't know if this. Gibbons needs a lawyer. Roscoe, Mr. Masara, good morning to you. Masaria, good morning to you. What is your
Morning, Judge.
What is your client's name?
I have Natavia Laws today, set for bench trial.
All right, Ms. Laws is here. I'm gonna put, good morning, Ms. Laws. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7. Wait on Mr. Masaria to come see you, all right? No, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 11. I'm sorry, 11. Join the room.
Thank you, Judge. And what prosecutor do we have today? I know Ms. Snyder left us.
Yeah, Ms. Moore.
Got it. Thank you.
Now, Jose Torres. I wonder how many of the individuals were waiting on a lawyer that did not get called. This is City of Detroit, Ms. Bradfield versus Jose Torres, case number SP 1220654, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1327732, SP 1349098, counts 1, 2, 3, SP 1577281, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 989944, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Torres. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Jose Torres.
Morning to you. Day and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Torres, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Right? Mr. Torres, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. His contact information is in the chat.
Right, I'm going to set a pretrial date, Mr. Greer, for the 19th of September at 8:30. That date is set. Make sure that you've got contact with that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney has not contacted you by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Please answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Do you have any questions, sir?
2 questions. May I have what is the phone number that you guys have on file for the attorney to call me? Just make sure that we all on the same page.
313-423-4867. No,
That's
I'm sorry. That's the wrong one. That's my fault. 313-695-4867. 1636, is that the correct number?
No, sir. It should be 6636.
6636.
Yep,
All right.
that should be it.
What is your other question?
The other question. So all this is all new to me. What is the difference between an arraignment, a pretrial, and an actual trial? And that's my last one.
Arraignment is for purposes of letting you know what the allegations were made against you and the maximum possible penalty. That's just a disorderly conduct. The maximum possible penalty is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines. That's the arraignment. I'm in or not guilty. You have them give you a $0 bond. A pretrial is an opportunity to work it out ahead of trial. That the officer does not have to be here for the pre-trial, and then trial date is what it is, trial date, all right?
Okay, no problem.
Any other questions?
So the final step is the actual trial, right?
Yeah, well, we're gonna get a pre-trial so that the attorney can contact you and hopefully the attorney maybe can, if they need to get some other information from the prosecutor to prepare themselves for trial, they'll get an opportunity to do that. The next date we'll give you as a trial date, all right?
Okay, no problem.
Any other questions?
That's it.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus April Chantel Grace, case number SB159. Strike that, SB175930201, SB1759324, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grace.
April Chantel Grace.
All right, I can't. Okay, there you go. All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let me put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Join the room. We're walking past the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. It's my understanding you want an appointed attorney as well. Is that correct?
Yeah.
That's correct, Your Honor.
I'm going to set a pretrial date for September 19th, 2025. You've heard what I said to Mr. Greer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Do you have any other questions, sir?
No.
I come back on the 19th of September, 8:30. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Did we call Mr. Green's case into the record?
Yeah, I believe we did. This is the city of Detroit versus Dorico B. Green. We have case number SP170000991, SP1724281. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name.
Gary Green.
All right. The case is going to be for September 19th, 2025, appointed attorney, and you heard from us. All right. Best of luck. This is the city of Detroit versus Maurice Lunsford. Give me the correct pronunciation, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is that the correct pronunciation?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
All right, case number SP1709178 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1713711 counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Maurice Lunsford.
All right, I'm going to give you a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to waive the warrants. I must reset the date for mark it in your calendar.
Gotcha.
At October 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Okay.
October 13th.
October 13th at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
The court is ready. We do have a retained matter that's ready and resolved, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jeremy Lee against the second. Case numbers, I have that one. Case number SP 1724800, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 173250012. Mr. Gates, today is the date and time set for review. State your name for the record, please.
Jeremy Gates.
All right, Mr. Gates, you ordered to pay 240, 240, and 240. I don't see that any money has been paid unless you're supposed to do community service.
No, Your Honor, my money loaded on the card tonight from my work, and I've been trying to pay it online on the kiosk all morning, but it just keep on giving me an error.
Come back next week, Mr. Gates, at 9/12/2025 at 8:25. We'll see if we can, if it goes through in that week. You can come down to the courthouse if it doesn't, all right?
Okay. You said
All right,
9/12?
Yeah, if it goes through and it goes through, you don't have to come back.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Gates. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Logan, Chaz Logan.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Who's your client again? Counselor. City of Detroit versus Chaz DeAndre Logan. Case number SP 174744681. Appearance for the record, please. Sure. Counselor.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Logan, please state your name.
Chaz Logan.
Morning to you, sir. Today, I don't see him on the docket. Let's see. Supposed to be trial today.
It's set for pre-trial.
Pre-trial. Mr. Logan, yeah, I see him on the docket. Let's see what the file reads. Did you come here for an appointed attorney, sir?
Yes.
It's not in here. Go speak to Miss, I don't see that an appointed attorney was ever requested. Go speak to Miss Harris in a breakout room. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right, that's cut off for officers. Let me let in whoever left here. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
This is Ted Lindsay, Your Honor. I got disconnected somehow. I was already here.
All right. City of Detroit.
I'll resend you to.
City of Detroit for, versus Ted Lindsay Jr., case number SP1739081, SP1739489, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Lindsay, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ted Lindsay Jr.
That's no problem. Good morning. I'm gonna reset this, one more time, Mr. Lindsay, for, trial, October the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Don't miss it this time.
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Will,
Yes, sir.
good morning to you, sir. Start your camera. What's your name, please?
How you doing? My name is William Griffin.
William Griffin, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Is that an E-N or an I-N?
I-N.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Ted Lindsay, that was, what happened with that?
Ted Lindsay, he reset. That was yesterday. He didn't make it yesterday.
Right, okay.
October 13th at 9 a.m.
The 13th, okay, thank you. Good morning to you.
City of Detroit versus Kellen Leak. Case number, Kellen Michael Leak, case number SP1746759, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1746768, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Will Broman, P85364 on behalf of Mr. Lee. I have reached a settlement agreement with the prosecutor that involves civil infractions, and I would ask that the court waive Mr. Lee's presence today.
All right, you're retained by Mr. Lee. You're have the authority to enter into agreement on your client's behalf, correct?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, what's the deal? I'll waive the presence.
Thank you. Mr. Leek will plead responsible to an amended count 1, which was originally straddling lanes, and that charge is being amended to blockading. And he will plead responsible to count 2, which I believe is it's either excessive exhaust or the obscure plate. And then the people will dismiss the remaining counts.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible pleas for the client behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as charged to the improper display of plate, $105, and amended count of blocking traffic for the straddling the lane, $175. Wait a minute. I don't believe you can do that.
You need to leave it because your hand is on the power thing.
All right. Well, we're not gonna, hold on, Mr. Gibbs. Straddling the lane is it's a civil infraction, all right? All right, $175. I'm going to give your client until September 19th, 2025 to pay 105 and 175. There's nothing further, Counselor. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. And just for the record, the defaults that were entered yesterday are being set aside as part of this.
As part of absolutely.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you.
Judge, what's the first name of Mr. Lee?
K-E-L-L-E-N, Leak, Michael, Kellen Michael Leak, L-E-A-K-E. That was on yesterday's docket.
And the attorney is did he say Will Roman?
Roman, B like boy, R-O-M-A-N, P85364.
Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, that gets me Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, you indicate you want an appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor, and I've placed his contact information in the chat.
Yeah. I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for September 19, 2025 at 8:30. I'm gonna give off ask you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
You got it.
Any further questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
This David Greenspan. You're free to leave. David Greenspan. I guess they left.
Good evening, Your Honor. Did you call Darren Lester yet?
Well, I haven't called anybody yet. Hold on 1 minute, please. Counselor Horn, are you there?
I am, Your Honor.
Let you go to 4 and officers. You can meet with the officers in 1.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
When the court has a moment, can I have an SOS check on Miss Natavia Laws?
Miss Laws, SOS, please. All right, Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Blair Vincent Lester. Case numbers SP 148594441. Here for the record, please. He also has some state matters, traffic matters that are set for informal hearing on 9/15. Here for the record, please.
Sherrica Harris, on behalf of defendant Lester, please state your name for the record.
Blair Lester.
Wanted to serve AFC time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Is the audio? Is the audio better, Your Honor?
I'm confused.
Ms. Laws, just keep your device muted. There you go.
In or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lester, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, he's in there, Ms. Harris, fast the matter. Laws, license is valid, Mr. Sorry. Congratulations, Ms. Laws. Let's go back on the record. We're not ready yet. All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer. Waiting on a lawyer now. Michael Gibbs. Michael Gibbs here. You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Gibbs. Please.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning. City of Detroit versus Michael D. Gibbs, case number SP 167-39091. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
State your name. State your name.
Michael Dwayne Gibbs.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you, ma'am. Mr. Gibbs, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on behalf, give you a $0 bond. You're here because you were ordered to pay $240 and the court never received the payment.
Court never received your payment.
I came to the court building and gave them the money, and they gave me the money back and gave me this date.
For some reason, you may have come after the date it was due.
You might have had to pay it after it was due.
Can you come back now today and get that money paid?
Yeah, I came to the court and paid it to your accountants, and they gave it back and gave me the court date.
Is there some way you can get back down here today and pay it?
I'll bring it back to you. That's not a problem.
When can you do that?
How long are you open today?
Till 4:30.
All right, I could get a Uber or something and get down there.
Well, if you have the kiosk, if you upload the kiosk to your phone, you can do it at home. DIVDAT, that's the kiosk. You can upload it. I'm told you can upload it to your phone.
Okay, I could do that.
DIVDAT, DAVDIT.
My wife is, she can hear better than me.
Is that Miss Gibbs?
Gonna write all the information down.
Wait a second, he's talking.
Huh?
Is that Miss Gibbs?
Miss Valdez.
Miss Valdez, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Did you get that DIVDAT, DIVDAT? You can upload that DIVDAT app to your phone and you can pay it right from your home.
Okay.
And it'll go through instantly. If you want to hang up and do that and contact us back when you've done it, that's fine. If you want me to give you some more time to, I'd hate you have to pay for an Uber to get down here.
So you can do it online.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. No problem.
All right. You guys go ahead and figure it out. And if you want to join back in, once you figure it out, in an hour or so, we'll still be here.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You got to put it in the system. Put it in the system, which is under show cause now. All right. This is for your turn. All right. Give her a few minutes before you do it so she can put it in the system.
Give her a few minutes so she can put it in the system.
I'll let you know when it's in there.
Okay.
All right. Let's, anybody ready? Mr. Overstreet, Mrs. Barrett, is anyone ready?
Ready on Lester.
Yes, sir. Mr. Griffin's ready.
Let's go back on the
We
record.
want you to come back on here.
Yeah.
SBK.
I can get back on.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Blair Lester. Mr. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a pre-trial date. We're hoping that the civil infractions can follow.
Well, you want to change it over from a informal hearing to a formal or hearing?
Just a hearing, Your Honor.
Come back on the 19th of September. Let's call SX 4558808, counts 1 and counts 2 into the record. Come back on the 19th of September, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ashley Gunn. City of Detroit versus Ashley Elizabeth Gunn, or State of Michigan versus Ashley Elizabeth Gunn, case number SX 449934661. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gunn, please state your name for the record.
Ashley Gunn.
Your Honor, was there a request for appointed counsel?
I'll check. There was. Ms. Gunn, you didn't have an attorney to contact you, have you?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass it. This is good. Well, everybody has not heard from an attorney yet. There's another one. Maybe Inez, let me sit and get Miss Gardner. Lisa Gardner, yes. See if that one's in there, the same thing. Same thing.
All right.
All right, good, grab that.
So this is Lisa
Yes,
Gardner.
Lisa Gardner.
Okay, I'm gonna put it.
All right, Miss Gardner, give me a minute.
Where is the other one?
Here it is. Here. Oh, so.
Okay.
Ms. Orozco. Ms. Orozco. This is
Your Honor, did you say Lisa Gardner?
Lisa Gardner.
That has Mr. Ogletree's name behind it.
It does have Lisa Gardner. Okay, he's here. Quinn, Jericho Quinn. One of them got a lawyer. No, one of the.
I have the other one.
So Jericho Quinn got a lawyer. That's all right. Let's.
Jericho.
Yeah, let's go. Mr. Ogletree, are you there?
I have Robert.
Oh, Quinn here too. Jericho here.
Yeah, I'm waiting on Mr. Ogletree on that one. And then
What
Robert.
Gardner did you say?
Let's call the city of Detroit. Give me Robert O'Quinn. That's Mr. Baughman. All right, city of Detroit versus Robert Earl O'Quinn IV, case number SB 172700681. Mr. Baughman, appearing for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. O'Quinn, are you there?
Yeah, he there.
Robert O'Quinn, please announce your name to the court.
Robert O'Quinn. I don't believe he's there. All right, that's going to be your client, Mr.
He's in the meeting, Judge. I'm going to ask him to start his video. Might help.
Is he here? I don't see him.
He's here. He's on the list of participants. I can presume that he hears us. There he is. He's muting his device now.
I don't see him on the thing out here. Go, Mr. O'Quinn. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Robert Earl O'Quinn.
Oh, that's why there's somebody put him in the one. Mr. O'Quinn, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8. Go to 8. Speak to Mr. Baughman. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Mr. Baughman, I will say that Mr. Ogletree set his brother's matter for a trial. Is wants to set his brother's matter for a trial. Join the room. What you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
All right.
All right.
Hey, Judge, excuse me.
Yes. Give me a minute. I'm waiting on, go ahead.
Since I'm waiting on, I got mine set for a trial. Do I still gotta be set in here? I'm waiting on a date or what? Or I'm good to go?
Well, I wanted your attorney to come in
Yeah, I'm
here.
here, Your Honor. I think
Yeah,
that was my client speaking.
let's pass, Robert O'Quinn. Let's call City of Detroit versus Jericho Joseph O'Quinn, case number SP 172-70671. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Jericho O'Quinn, P number 69167. Can you state your full name?
Jericho O'Quinn.
All right, trial date is going to be October the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
October 13th at 9 a.m.
All right, nothing further. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. You too.
Did this young lady, Gardner, or lawyer for her? Ashley Gardner, looking for a lawyer. Yeah. There's a appointment thing in there. I'm gonna put them right on the other side.
And Judge, sorry to jump in. Have we got an SOS check on laws through?
Laws is good. Have a valid driver's license.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
All right. So let's call the City of Detroit, okay, versus Marciela Josephine Orozco. Case number SP 170-61561, SP 1711-3411, SP 1722094, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1749070, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1752070, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Ms. Orozco. Can we recall the case? I still need to speak to Ms. Horn, but I'm ready on my other cases.
All right, let's recall that. We'll pass that matter. And who are you else are you ready on?
I'm ready on Lisa Gardner. Ready on
Lisa Gardner.
Okay.
Lisa Inez Gardner.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you say Miani Gardner?
Not yet. City of Detroit versus Lisa Inez Gardner. Case number SP 162-94071, SP 174-20121, and U 87-42224. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Miss Lisa Gardner. Can you state your full name?
Lisa Inez Gardner.
And that's SP 174-20122 as well. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gardner owes $336 on an old no insurance proof. It's not super old. I would allow her, I already let her pay the reinstatement fee up front, but that hasn't been done. So go ahead, Mr. Ogletree.
Yeah, she had some family issue in terms of why she wasn't able to pay it recently. But we're requesting a bench trial date, and by then she should be in compliance.
All right. I'm going to set a trial date for October the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Ms. Gardner, it's going to be in the file. Come up with that $45, come down and pay it as soon as you can.
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Okay, when I come and pay the $45, am I paying the $45 plus the $240, or am I just paying the $45?
Well, you got to pay the $240. That $240 was that $240 was something that you had no, just the $45.
Okay.
There's no $240 yet. Now you're going to see some other fees. You're going to have to pay this whole thing off. You're going to have to pay those old civil infractions off. I'm just allowing you to pay the first $45 on that $336 so that you can get a valid driver's license.
Okay, and then once I pay the $45, like, is it a certain amount of time after that where I have to pay all the rest of it off?
Well, they generally, they'll generally come after you in civilly if you don't pay it.
Oh, I'm gonna pay it. I just want to make sure that I'm in the, you know what I'm saying, the time frame to pay it.
Just pay it, get a valid driver's license, and we'll talk about that when you come back.
Okay, no problem.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Right. Let's call back, recall the city of Detroit versus, Richard Chevette Green. Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, good morning. All right, Ogle Street, you've been assigned to Ms. Green. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overton, about for Miss Green.
You haven't spoken with her yet, right?
I've already spoken to her. We're requesting a pretrial date so we can get this discovery.
Pretrial September the 19th, 2025 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Ms. Green, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Well, who else?
Adam, last name L-E-D.
Ledesma?
Yes.
Is that street outreach as well?
Yeah, I spoke to Street Outreach. They said that they need time to look into the case. So they told me to ask for an adjournment.
City of Detroit versus Adam Anwar Ledesma, case number SP 1691147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overtree, on behalf of Adam Ledesma. Can you unmute and state your name?
Adam Ledesma.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Ledesma. Did we have our conversation about the street outreach the last time?
Yeah, we did have that conversation.
All right, are things getting any better for you?
I'm still currently in the same position. I just found some work. I started working, and yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Just found a job.
Well, that's a good thing. So that's just progress, sir. We're going to continue to pray that you get it together, sir. What date do you need, Mr. Overstreet?
They said they need at minimum 2 weeks.
Come back on the 19th, pre-trial. The 19th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m., Mr. Ledesma. I hope it continues to get better for you, all right?
Thank you so much, sir.
Best of luck to you. Who else, Mr. Overstreet?
Miss O'Brien, she has a trial date. I didn't see the officer check. The officer came. Janice O'Brien, last name spelled O.
O'Brien.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Janice Marie O'Brien, case number SP 1731239, SP 1731129. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overtree, about for Miss O'Brien. Can you say your name?
State your name, record. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Janice Marie Ortbring.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Zaquan Austin Carter here. Zaquan Austin Carter. Hearing no response, I don't see Mr. Austin Carter in the room. Go ahead, counsel.
Respectfully requesting a dismissal.
All right, this O'Brien case dismissed. There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Go ahead, Mr. Overstreet. Anybody else?
That's all I'm writing on right now.
Mr. Baughman, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with this is Jericho. Well, that's Robert. Let's go back on the record with Robert O'Quinn. What does your client want to do?
Judge, my client is advised and asked for a bench trial by Zoom, please and thank you.
All right, right, trial date will be October the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Okay, talk to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Who else is ready? Let's go back on the record with Miss April Grace. Miss Grace, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea of blockading to the speeding charge. The other two matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plan your client can have.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal on the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it now?
Today.
Make sure it gets here by Monday at least. Pay it any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. We told you can upload the did that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Your Honor, can you repeat the first option again? I'm sorry.
Did that, DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload the did that app to your phone.
Okay. Okay.
I'll give you until September the 8th to get that in. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and you have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Berry.
You're welcome.
Gonzalez Martinez here. Gonzalez Martinez. All right. They have an attorney. They never did. They need to submit. I'll print it out for you. You can contact them, let them know. Trooper is here. City of Corporal Latch, who do you have? Good morning to you. Harum Long. Who's got Harum Long? I think they're represented by an attorney. It's Soroki, I think, Judge. Soroki. Devin Lee. Where's Devin Lee?
Right here.
All right, good morning to you. What is LEA? Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it's on there. You see it? They didn't show up.
Today, I had came to court Monday, and then you told me to come back today to make sure I paid the $240 to dismiss that case from Monday. My attorney, Ivan Land, though, I don't know where he at. He not answering.
He's not supposed to be here. City of Detroit versus Devin Leonard Lee. Case number SP156170001. Appearance, let me state your name for the record, please.
Devin Lee.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case as paid. It's just not entered into as dismissed. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, case dismissed. It's paid. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right.
Sergeant Peak was here for I do not know.
Alexander Gray, Your Honor.
Huh?
He was here for Alexander Gray.
He was here for, you're right, Alexander Gray. Does Alexander Gray have a lawyer? City of Detroit versus Alexander Gray Jr., case number SP 1035263, counts 1 and 2 and 3, SP 106300292, SP 1437341, SP 1179685, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1337761. SP 1397060, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1397087, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1619801, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1649690, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1726059, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1726060, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1726066, counts 1 and counts 2. 20460640, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I think Alexander Gray may be in a breakout room and is represented by Mr. Soroki. I see him in room 14.
All right, let's go past that then. Lunsford, is Lunsford here? He's gone, right? Christopher Grisham.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Grisham, case number SP 1701401. And SP 1601263. Appearance for the record. Appearance for the record, please. This may be represented by a lawyer as well.
Erica Harris on behalf of.
Go ahead.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gresham. Please state your name, or Grisham. I apologize.
Mr. Grisham, state your
Yes.
name.
Oh, Christopher Gresham.
All right. Claire Hall is the officer. He's here. Let's get you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. I've got to think that you were appointed an attorney. Were you not?
Yes,
You
it was a male.
You don't know the name.
No, I don't know. He was a Caucasian younger guy. He was a male though.
Sorry.
It was a Caucasian younger guy, but it was a male for sure.
I don't understand why you guys don't get the attorneys' names.
Because
you never paid the $240 either.
What 204? I was never told to pay any money, sir.
Improper plate. You had an improper plate set for review.
I didn't know anything about it. This was always just every time that I came to the court hearing, we only spoke about the gun ordinance.
Back in November the 7th, 2024, you were supposed to pay $240, which is now ballooned to $348 on an improper plate. And you never paid it.
If so, I can pay it. I don't remember this.
Attorney, I'm gonna bring you back down to the original cost this one time. It's $240. I'm gonna pass the matter and see if we can get, if that's, Nasaria. See. who's the attorney.
Judge, I'm here. I have not been appointed to that case.
Oh, you haven't? Here's
No.
his attorney is supposed to be. Unless it's on here. No, it's not on here. All right, it's set for trial. We'll pass the matter. Are we ready on laws?
Yes, Judge. I think she might be in the waiting room.
Let me get Miss Harris started on someone. Frederick Leggett. Matthew Dupree. He's in here. City of Detroit versus Frederick Leggett, case number SB 172415771. Ms. Harris, appear for the record, please. He was on yesterday's docket for trial.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Yep, unmute yourself, Mr. Leggett. And start your camera. Frederick Leggett.
Is it on? Is it
It's
on?
Yes, state your name, please.
Frederick Leggett.
Leggett, I'm sorry. The day, date, and time. We'll call it enter not guilty on his behalf, getting $0 bond. I believe he was supposed to be here yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Speak to him on breakout. He indicated to the court off the record he had his documentation. Speak to him in a breakout on Ms. Harris. Let's pass the matter. All right, Mr. Shiroki, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready. We have 2 dismissals.
Let's
Jocelyn Munoz and Pershan Gordon.
both of them dismissals.
Yes, Pershan Gordon also has a street court hearing, but Pershan Gordon, the only ticket is the OTE ticket.
All right.
Street court doesn't
The
have.
City of Detroit versus Jocelyn Munoz, case number SB 1717841. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Jocelyn Munoz.
Okay,
Yeah, so this,
Morning.
Your Honor, this time defense moves to dismiss. Prosecution has stated they're dismissing for no recollection.
Case dismissed, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. No recollection.
All right, thank you so much.
Have a good day, ma'am.
All right.
You
Go
too.
ahead. Who's the next person? Gordon.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Pershan Lachey Gordon. Case number U618-00221. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
My name is Pershan Lachey Gordon.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for a trial for this matter. Is a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor, it's the ticket, the U618-00221.
And his officer did not appear?
No, the officer did appear. Officer stated that she has no recollection.
Dismissed, no recollection. How is it going with the street court, sir?
It's going well. Like, I got one more thing to do, which I tried to do it online, which is to receive my fact sheet, to let street court know the holes or anything on my driver's license. So I just had to make an appointment to go in because I couldn't do it online. Because I tried to do it on my login, but it seemed like I had a email already set up and it wouldn't let me create another one. So I just made an appointment to go in to receive my fact sheet. Like I did everything else. Like I sent my bridge card in, I uploaded my Medicaid card, I uploaded my search for jobs, and I'm currently working, but you know, it's like really under the table. So I'm trying to find a real job on paper.
All right, very good. All right, very good. That's good. I'm gonna continue to pray for you. The 27th is the next date in October, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
He looks very good.
Thank you.
Yes.
Appreciate it, sir.
You're welcome.
All right.
Okay.
All right, is this Ashley Gunn, Mr. Overstreet? I mean, Mr.
I can leave now, sir.
Yeah, you can leave. Be safe.
Okay. Appreciate it. Y'all have a nice day.
Well, now, Mr. Alexander Gray. Let's go back on the record with Alexander Gray Jr. Mr. Soroki, this is your client?
Yes, Your Honor. He has a number of tickets, so the prosecutor is still working on figuring out, talking to all the officers and seeing who's checked in and not checked in. So we don't have an offer yet on him or Hiram Long.
What's your appearance on the record, please?
Okay. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of Alexander Gray Jr., sir.
All right, I counted 28 into the record. So, Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6. Wait on, where is it?
He's already in a breakout room.
All right, 14, you can go, he's in 14. I'll pass the matter until you work it out. Anyone else do you have, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, I have Hiram Long, but it's the same situation. We're just waiting
All right,
for
Hiram Long is waiting as well, all right?
Yes, thank you.
All right. All right. Mr. Massari, who do you have?
I have Natavia Laws, Judge, and we are ready.
City of Detroit versus Natavia Laws, case numbers SP1509872 and SP1705117, counts 1 and counts 2, and U69714-324. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Mysteria P 87848 on behalf of Miss Laws. Miss Laws, please state your full name for the record.
Natavia Laws.
Good morning to you, Ms. Laws.
Good morning.
This is SP145776622 into the record. All right, that was already adjudicated. She owes $240. She never paid. What's gonna be the is Officer Shabazz here? Officer Shabazz? I'm surprised he didn't show.
I believe the only officer we have here today is Officer Villanueva on the driver's license suspended ticket, and that'll be a dismissal for compliance. The remaining tickets would be dismissed for no officer.
You don't have a file for law? Congratulations on the license. The one Villanueva, Officer Villanueva, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Villanueva, badge 3939.
All right, good morning. 6971424 was supposed to be Officer Gant. And then what about the payment on, the 240, ma'am? When are you gonna pay that?
By the end of the month. Two months.
2 months. What's taking you so long?
Because I thought this one had got dismissed.
Oh, didn't get dismissed.
And I can go over that with her in a break arm if it's needed, Judge.
Yeah,
I don't need to think we need to go over that. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. But officer, you said, I'm gonna mark a review for October the 6th, 2025. And then I'm at 8:25, and I'm gonna mark allow payment plan. All right.
So I'm on a payment plan.
No, you need to get into a payment plan. You need to come to either pay it by October 6th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or get into a payment plan before October 6th. And I'm told you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person too. But if you don't pay it, then make sure before October 6th, you get into a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
You have any further questions?
No, just get on the payment plan before October 6th.
October 6th, come back October 6th and we'll see what you've done, all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank
And
you.
you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day too.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Judge.
You don't have anyone else?
That's all I had for you, Judge.
Okay, very good. Let's go with, I'm gonna get some of the House counsels. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Torres. Mr. Torres, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Torres is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. And that is if he was to plead to ticket number SP 1220654. Count 1 will be amended to improper plates. Count 2 will be amended to improper plates. Count 3 will be amended to failure to display a license. And if he was to plead on ticket number SP 134-90981, it will be amended to failure to display, and the remaining 7 matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Torres?
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? You there, Mr. Torres?
You said what?
The maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. Do you understand that?
Okay.
Is that a yes? You understand it? All right, you
Yes.
understand that you have an
Yes.
you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 30th, 2021, at around 5 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Central and Warren. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration, insurance, and a driver's license.
Yes.
Not do either, could you? You couldn't produce either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a license.
And no insurance and registration, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for no insurance, amended count of improper plate for no license, and failure to display for not producing a valid driver's license, for not having a valid driver's license. Let me draw your attention one more time. Who's that? I don't know. She's not on that document. All right. Let me see. You draw your attention back to May the 5th, 2022, at around 6:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner Highway and Oakdale Avenue. You recall having contact with Detroit police on that day?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license on that day.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
I don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, waive the warrant fee, still paying reinstatement fee. I'm only gonna fine you for 2 of them, sir. I'll fine you $240 and $240. When can you pay?
At the moment I'm working. I just got a job, and
I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out. 2025, October 6th. I'll mark the file, allow payment plan. Either do one of 2 things, either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Otherwise, come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. If there's nothing further, Mr. Torres, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
thank you.
All right. You're welcome. City of Detroit, Ms. Bradfield. Shamika Lane, case number SP 17166671, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1752208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752223, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1752227, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Anthony Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lane, state your name for the record, please.
Shamika Lane.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. Officer Falk and Corporal Rule are here. Miss Bradfield, give Miss Lane an updated offer. Keep in mind, Miss Lane, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Miss Bradfield. She's gonna help you work this out, all right?
Okay.
All right,
Judge.
give me 1 second, please.
Okay.
Join the room, please. I'm gonna call your case now, Ms. Barrett.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Stephen LeBrie. Number U717411725. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Barrett on behalf of Stephen LeBrie. Judge, this was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's my understanding the officer, I think it's Ellen Brow did not show. We make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
All right, I don't see Mr. Brown in the breakout room. Case dismissed, Mr. LeBrie, no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thanks, Judge. Have a good day.
Anyone else, Ms. Barrett?
No, that's it for me. Thank you.
All right, best of luck. All right, have a great day. Who's got Kenneth Gibbons? Mr. Barry, who do you have?
No one, Your Honor.
Let's see if Mr. Gibbons, was Mr. Gibbons ever appointed an attorney? City of Detroit, yes, did we ever get an attorney for Mr. Gibbons? Here, that's one we need something that we already filled up the form. All right, Lane is gone. Now, Gibson, Christopher Gibson, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I am here.
Good morning to you, Mr. Barry.
Good morning to you too, sir.
City, what is your middle name if you have one, Mr. Gibson?
Lee, L-E-E.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Gibson, case number SE 174-91711. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Christopher Lee Gibson.
Officer Canada is here, or was here. I do not see him in the room now.
Yes, Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. I believe in this situation, Officer Canada wished to dismiss for lack of recollection.
Case dismissed, Mr. Lee, for no recollection. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you. You guys have an amazing day.
As well.
Thank you, Judge.
This local street wall. Where's Christopher?
Christopher Gibson, I don't know.
All right, that gets me down to 3 Roscoe. Quan Gordon. He keeps having issues with his device.
Your Honor, that's also a dismissal for lack of recollection.
Quan Gordon.
Yeah, by Officer Kelly Diamond. That's for Sean Gordon.
And then we have Paul is not here, Hightower is not here. Valstein indicated that they had no recollection.
Correct, Your Honor.
Jones is not here, right?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
Well, Mr. Gordon, you didn't get the Powerball yet, but you won today. Where's Mr. Gordon? Quan Gordon. City of Detroit versus Daquan Curry Gordon.
Present.
Not connected. Where you are connected? You're on two different devices.
Yes.
Hang up one of them. Where is he on the one device?
I can hear you.
City of Detroit versus Daquan Curry Gordon. Case numbers SB 173142. Out to 161-27371, SB 161-63301, SB 175-4479, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
Did he drop off again?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, Your Honor. I believe Officer Hall should still be in the breakout room.
Officer Hall was one that didn't have any recollection.
He didn't mention that. He just told me I could do what I wanted with the cases, so I'm just looking at defective equipment.
Just dismiss. Is that what you're saying?
Dismiss the repeat offender, Your Honor. The people are moving to dismiss that. And then as to the defective or missing equipment civil infraction, we ask that he plead to that.
You want to take the deal? Are you there now, Mr. Gordon? I think we keep losing now. Let's pass it. Who's on the telephone there?
I can't hear nothing.
313-457-7678.
Yes, here I am.
Who's
Mr.
that?
Long, I apologize. Good morning, Judge.
Let's pass it. I don't have Mr. Gordon. I don't have Mr. Gordon. So let's move on. We'll pass that.
Okay.
What about Michael Lyons?
I'm here. Long.
Lyons, are you here?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Markel Patrick Lyons. This may be one that he needs a case number SB 1744361. Mr. Lyons, state your name for the record, please.
Michael Lyons.
All right, Mr. Lyons, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Were you here and asked for an appointed attorney last time?
Yes, I did.
All right, we have to give Mr. Lyons an attorney.
I never heard.
All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Lyons needs an attorney. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, I've given you enough. Please speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting that the court reset the trial date.
October 13, 2025 at 9 a.m. Don't miss it this time, Mr. Leggett. Leggett. Yes, I'm muted.
October 13th.
October 13th at 9 a.m.
I'm writing it down now. I ain't gonna miss it.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
William Griffin.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. You were here. What do you have a middle name, sir?
Good morning. Yes, I have two middle names. Jameer Devante.
Jameer Devante. City of Detroit versus William Jameer Devante Griffin. Case numbers SG1. What is your date of birth?
4/15/93.
City of Detroit versus William Jameer Devontae Griffin, case numbers SP 1345757, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 139739, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 139519, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 139519, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 175859, counts 1 and counts 2. 217356361, State of Michigan versus William Jameer Devontae Griffin, case number SX 4300289, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oliver S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Yes, my name is William Griffin.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Berry. See if you can give Mr. Griffin an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Griffin, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? I'm gonna put you in a breakout, Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Garibaldi,
Yes.
good morning to you.
Morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Ramsey Reuben Garibaldi, case number SP 131007. SP 121694023, SP 1310084, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of defendant Garibaldi. Please state your name for the record.
Ramsey Ruben Garibaldi.
Morning to you.
Garibaldi, I apologize.
Officer Canada was here.
Yes, Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people. Officer Canada wishes to dismiss this matter for no recall, and Officer Fitzgerald Harris is here. The people would extend an offer of failure to display and dismissing the no insurance misdemeanor, Your Honor.
All right, failure to display, $240 is the fine. Go speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She's gonna relay the opportunity. You can ask her any questions. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out today as the date and time set for the trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And it's just the 3 matters, Your Honor.
Just the 3 equal civil infractions on 2 of them. A no insurance proof, 288 and 126 on a related no registration for related to the failure to display allegation.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Mr. Dupree.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Who do you have? What do you have, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, I've got a few cases to begin with. Christopher Gresham.
Let's recall. What's Gresham gonna do?
Judge, the city is dismissing the case. We would join in the request for dismissal.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Anton Gresham, case number SP 1601263. Oh, SP 17014031. Appear to the record, please.
Matthew Prepaid 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Gresham, your name, please.
Mr. Grisham, is he there? He's not connected to audio. Is this Officer Clarefoot's ticket?
Judge, would the court be willing to waive his presence since he's clearly actually present, just having technical difficulties?
Yes, Your Honor, that is Officer Clarefoot.
All right, Officer Clara, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here. How you doing?
Here, but
State your name for the record, badge number, department, please.
yes, sir. Officer Clara, badge 233, City of Detroit.
All right, and this case is dismissed, no recollection, or what? What's the?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P 70303. After discovery and discussing it with all parties, we felt best to move forward with dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, this case dismissed. All right. Then he's supposed to pay this, I already marked that. I think here it is.
I'll pay the 240 by next Wednesday, Your Honor.
240 by next Wednesday. Okay, so you heard the case is dismissed for SB. So I'm gonna say, come back on Thursday, because Wednesday's a busy day. On the 11th, if it's paid, we will dismiss it. We will dismiss it. I brought it down back to 240, and this case is dismissed here.
I have one quick question before we separate.
All right,
I don't know.
Pause on that.
You say what?
That's Mr. Dupree. What's your question?
My question is, since it was a gun ordinance and the officers took my gun, they told me like at the end of the case I'll be able to get it back. So who would I talk to about retrieving my weapon?
You better go back and talk to the officer. I guess they said that.
So I would just have to find the precinct or whatever, because I haven't had any conversation with any officers since that day.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, Judge. Just go up to the second precinct, Grand River and Leisure, and we can figure all that stuff out, all right?
No problem.
Yep.
Be safe.
Thanks. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody else? What about James Love?
Judge, I've got that ready as well.
City of Detroit versus James Love III. That would be case numbers. All these motions. Is he here?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus James Love III. Case numbers SP 174-53041, SP 173-52841. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Prepaid 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Love, would you state your name, please?
James Love III.
All right. I have motions here. Good morning to you, Mr. Love. Motion to suppress.
Judge, the defense is withdrawing those motions at this time. We've reached a proposed settlement in these matters.
What's the deal gonna be?
To begin with, Judge, by mutual stipulation, SP 17352841 is being dismissed as a duplicative ticket. Or we would ask the court to dismiss it as a duplicative ticket. My apologies.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge. On SP 17453041, we've reached a proposed resolution under which the defendant would plead no contest as charged. There'd be a recommendation for a 12-month delayed sentence with 20 hours community service, gun safety course. We'd ask the court to adopt that resolution. The basis of the no contest plea, Your Honor, would be to avoid impacting a potential related felony matter.
I'm gonna fine him the max, $500. 12-month delay, gun safety, 20 hours community service.
Very well,
Want
Your
to
Honor.
take the deal, sir? The $500 is gonna be due in a month.
Yes, sir.
Want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Nobody taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back on stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea in your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
With that stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
With that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client a manner no contest plea for as charged to the firearms ordinance discharge of firearm within the city limit. And I am going to I'm going to do a no contest plea for sentencing purposes, treat like a guilty plea, sir. So I'm going to fine you $500 due by October 6th, 2025. I'm going to order you to do 20 hours of community service, and I'm going to enter a 12-month delayed sentence, meaning if all the conditions are met, that the $500 is paid by October the 6th, that 20 hours of community service is done, then the case will be dismissed and a gun safety course. I'm gonna refer this matter to community service. And I need a good phone number from you, please.
313, I'm sorry, area code 313-646-5081.
The number to the community service is 313-965-8130. You just have that number just in case. You got a lot of time to complete the community service and take the gun safety course, but you have 30 days to pay the $500. Pay it at any DIVDAC kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that out to your phones, or you can come on down to the court. Those are two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways, but those are two best ways. I'm going to give you a review date for September 7th, 2026. If all those conditions are met, we'll dismiss the case then, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You do the same, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, I also have Meone Gardner.
Gardner? Oh,
Meone,
Meone
Your
Gardner.
Honor.
Meone Gardner. City of Detroit.
You can leave, Mr. Love. You can log off.
Okay.
Right.
Real quick, Mr. Dupree, is that on Discovery Track for Gardner?
I was just going to set it straight for bench. I did request discovery. I'm sure I'll get it before the bench trial date. And if not, I can reach out to the courtroom.
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Meone Gardner, case number SP 174-5363, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew prepaid 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Gardner, your name, please.
Meone Gardner.
All right, good morning. Today is daytime. Set for pretrial. You want a trial?
Yes, Judge.
October 13th is the next trial date.
I am, you know what, Judge? I think I can make that work. Judge.
October 13th. There's nothing further, Mr. Gardner. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All
Judge,
right.
on Mr. Love, should I have him call probation about the community service and whatnot?
No, I gave him the number. The community service is 313-965-8130. He shouldn't have to call them, but I gave him that number just in case.
Okay. And Judge, the last case I have, it's a formal hearing for, sorry, I'm blanking on the name, Judge. Give me 1 second. My computer system
Formal
is just...
hearing is for Gonzalez.
Yes, Judge. Gonzalez Martinez.
City of Detroit versus Dario Antonio Gonzalez Martinez. Case number state of Michigan versus Dario Antonio Gonzalez Martinez. Case number SX 4555-8421. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew prepaid 0132 for the defendant, whose appearance I'd asked the court to waive.
This is Callie, Roger Callie is you standing in for him?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I'll waive the client's presence. The officer or the trooper was here, still here. Did you come to an agreement?
Judge, we're just pleading responsible as charged, just asking for some time to pay.
Two weeks.
What's that, Judge?
2 weeks to pay.
Is there any chance we could get 30 days, Judge?
Yeah. It says stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea in the client's behalf.
Yes, Judge.
It says $240. So.
Got it, Judge. I'll let the respondent know, and we just ask that 30 days for him to get it paid.
October the 6th, 2025. All right, there's nothing further. Be safe.
Thank you, Judge.
I will. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. William Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna give you a trial date for October the 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, sir. You have a good one.
You have a better one. Thank you. Okay, I think that let's go with Mr. Let's see if Daquan Gordon. So let's see. Ms. Gunn is there. Let's go with Ms. Gunn. Ms. Gunn. Let's call it the City of Detroit versus Ashley Elizabeth Gunn, or start that State of Michigan versus Ashley Elizabeth Gunn. Appearance for the record, please.
Colonel Ochenbaum for Ms. Gunn.
All right. Ms. Gunn, state your name for the record, please.
Ashley Elizabeth Gunn.
Okay, you have a trial date you want to set for October the 13th, 2025, Ms. Dunn. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
You as well, thank you. All right, who was next, Mr. Overstreet?
Kenneth Givens.
City of Detroit versus Kenneth Givens. Case numbers SP 1726429, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 175066671, SP 175876631. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron, what you about for Mr. Kenneth Givens? Mr. Givens, can you state your name?
Kenneth Givens.
Good morning to you. What's Mr.
Morning to you.
Givens?
Yeah, sorry for earlier. It was my mistake. He was here yesterday, and we said for bench trial. It appears that this one case slipped through. So we want to see if we can set it for a bench trial on the same day, October the 9th.
Looks like all of them slipped through, I guess. October the 9th?
Yeah, we were here yesterday.
But what happened to the other two cases?
The cases from yesterday were set for a bench trial on October the 9th.
October 9th. All right, October 9th. All right. 9 a.m. All right, be safe.
Thank you.
Mr. Gibbons, I appreciate your patience. There's only one that put in. Okay. All right. Who's next, Mr. Overstreet?
I still got one more person I have to talk to Ms. Horn about.
All right, what about Long? Harum Long? You have Long?
No. Yeah. I do have Gillespie, but he's not responding.
What about Orozco?
She's in the breakout room. I need to speak to Ms. Horn about her.
So who was speaking with Long?
I don't know.
I think that may have been Mr. Soroka. Who was Long? No, Long's attorney.
I don't know.
Find out who Long's.
Is it Hiram Long, Judge?
Yeah,
That's Mr. Soroka.
So
I'm here.
Call Soroka back. I know he was here, but he left now.
I'm here.
I know you are.
I'll call Mr. Soroka.
No, I've been here. I was trying to get on. I was trying to get into the Zoom. He was trying to tell me,
Mr.
trying to explain to me how.
Listen to me.
Yes.
We know you've been.
Yes.
We know you've been here. Your attorney was here a little earlier, and he didn't. For some reason he didn't. I don't know, but he didn't get the case or whatever he did. He left. So we're gonna get him back in here. We know you've been here. Give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Let me call.
Yes, sir. Yes, y'all.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Get Mr. Soroki back in here, please.
I was trying to.
Yeah, DeQuan Gordon. Are you there, Mr. Gordon?
There we go. Wow.
DeQuan Gordon. He's still not connected.
I was trying to get to the Zoom. So I can see. Where?
All right, is Markel Lyons here? He needs to spot a pen. All right, I'm gonna mute you, Mr. Long. Press *6 when we
Yeah.
when I call your name, okay?
Yes. You're careful, man.
All right, Gordon, there's Gordon. Who was representing Daquan Gordon?
Was I, Your Honor?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Now he's got his device. They want him to plead to an infant. Did he fall off again?
Well, he's still here.
Yeah, his device went down again. They wanted him to plead to an improper equipment.
The defective or missing equipment.
Yeah, and the other matter is dismissed. I don't know if he's ever gonna get it, his device is ever gonna get working for it. Officer Hall.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is that your defective equipment, please? For
Yes,
Gordon?
sir.
All right, if it's nothing further, we just, unless the other want to take, that's a different story. You can't get them connected. Stay connected, that's his problem. All right, let's pass that now. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client is aware that her trial day today and she can go to trial. However, she would like to enter a guilty and a responsible plea and accept it to the people's recommendation. That is, if she was to plead to ticket ending in 6711, officer rules ticket, it will be amended to failure to display a license. If she was to plead to count 2 of that that ticket, it will be amended to blockading traffic. And also, if she was to plead to ticket ending in 2233 as charged, the remaining matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Is she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I do.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you'll give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 23rd, 2025, around 4:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Harper and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, but I didn't have one.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. It'll be a $240 fine for that. Are you working, ma'am?
No, I'm on a fixed income.
All right. Stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible, please.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
With those stipulations, I'll find you responsible as charged to the failure to secure passenger and the amended count of blocking traffic, 100. Strike that. Miss, why can't you secure these passengers in this vehicle? Miss Lane,
Say that again?
why didn't you have the passengers? Are these kids you had in the car?
Yes, I did.
Why didn't you have them secured in the seatbelt?
Because I had two in the car, but I didn't have enough, like the boosters, like Kirsty.
All right. You know that they got places, I don't know, where you can get some free booster seats, if that's the issue.
Okay.
Does anybody have a resource for that, for the rule? No? I know that they do give out.
I took care of the boosters. Like
So
my
you
kids
got,
have, yeah, I have 3 boosters.
all right, very good. All right, I'm not gonna fine you for the other 2 matters. You indicated to the court that you're on a fixed income, and I'm just gonna fine you for the failure to display $240. When can you pay that, ma'am?
Next month on the
All right,
3rd.
I'm gonna give you till October 6th to pay it.
Okay.
I'm also going to allow payment plan.
Okay.
If you want to, before October the 6th, if you want to get into that payment plan, you need to come down to the court and get into the payment plan. Or if you just pay it by October 6th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. You may hit the $1 billion tomorrow, $2 billion tomorrow, who knows? And you want to worry about the payment then. Ms. Lane, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome.
Your
All
Honor.
right. Yes.
What's up there, Your Honor?
You're all good. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I got Gray, I got Lions. I don't know if you have any more.
I had London.
London never showed.
Yeah, good case. Good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe.
Thank you. Your Honor, this is Officer Sahib, State Police.
Yes, yours is done. I tried to pull you out, but I couldn't. We're gonna have to get all of them out of the breakout room because most everybody should be gone now. Officer Sid, if you've nothing further, you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. What was the outcome of the case?
What was your defendant's name?
Gonzalez
Oh, he
Martinez.
pled as charged.
Okay,
That
thank
was
you.
it. The attorney pled him as charged.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, be safe.
You too.
Mr. You're back, Mr. For who's got Lions? Who do you have, Mr. Soroki?
Alexander Gray and Hiram Long.
Hiram Long. I'm gonna put Hiram Long. Hiram Long, unmute yourself, please. Press *6 to unmute yourself. Are you ready on anybody?
I have an offer on Hiram Long, and I have an offer on Alexander Gray. I went over the offer with Alexander Gray already. Hiram Long wasn't in the breakout room. Alexander Gray, I think he's going to accept the offer.
Alexander Gray, are you there?
Yes.
Turn your camera on, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, Mr. Gray, do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, the defendant is accepting the offer of the prosecution. He'll be pleading as charged to the PBT refusal, and he'll be pleading responsible to the seatbelt ticket. And as to the ticket, the driver license suspended, ending in 059, count 2. That will be reduced to a failure to display. The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counts will be dismissed.
Well, we got more than 5 counts.
Well,
Gray
all
has
the
two.
remaining
Gray has-
charges will be dismissed. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I missed 2 on another page. I'm sorry. There's a driver license suspended also. That's a SP 139706 count 2, which would be a failure to display, and a SP 139708 count 2, which is no insurance, which will be reduced to improper plates. And then after that, all the remaining tickets will be dismissed.
I'm missing, you're missing 5 tickets. I heard another failure to display. And what else?
We have 5 pleas with 1 failure to display, 1 improper plate, another failure to display, so that's 2, then a seatbelt ticket, and the PBT refusal as charged.
Now, let's go through it and tally it all up. Did Officer Evans ever appear?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Officer Reeves is here. Did Officer Reeves appear? I don't think I've seen Officer Reeves. Officer McCombs, did Officer McCombs appear? Chris Harris, did Officer Chris Harris, I think he appeared. He did appear. Officer Joshua Martin appeared. So SP 1035263 counts 1, 2, and 3 were never accounted for. SP 1063029 was never accounted for. And SP 143734331 was never accounted for. Let's see what's going on with those.
This for Gray, Your Honor?
For Alexander Gray, yes. Those were in warrant status. They never were accounted for. I don't know why they weren't put on the docket.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I think we could just get a prosecutor in here and she'll probably agree to dismiss them because he's pleading to the PBT refusal, and that's a big ticket.
All right, find that out.
Okay, all right, I'll go
One
and
case,
there's
I will say
5
this.
warrant tickets.
One case, the state of emergency, SP 106302991, it went along with the entering without permission. That was dismissed by party. That must have been, that was Chief Judge dismissed that back in 2021 of February 1st. So that
I'm showing it as closed.
The EWAP, I know, the EWAP ticket went along with that. And that's in warrant status. So why that wasn't dismissed at the same time, I don't know. So that may have been easily taken care of. Then the other ones are. So go back and speak to Ms. Horn. Where's Ms. Horn?
Let's find her if she should be in a breakout.
She's in 4. Go to 4 and mention those tickets to her. I have 5 cases.
Thank you.
Just pass it momentarily. Oh, she has a sheet here. So she's recommended dismissal. She doesn't account for it. All right. Come on. Officer Mark. Yeah. All right, let's pass that matter. Who's ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
On who? You're ready on, Ms. Harris.
Ready on
Let's go back
Garibaldi?
on. Mr. Garibaldi, Mr. Garibaldi, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I do want to note for the record that he did make a payment to the court for 2 failing to stop for stop sign tickets. He did show his receipt. I did discuss that
Want to
with.
speak to Ms. Horn with that?
I did. I think she sent a message to Officer Harris, so we were waiting for a response. But Mr. Garibaldi also wanted to ask the court if he could have permission to come to the court to pay the $288 to potentially set himself up for a valid
You need
license.
permission to come pay that?
Well, I guess when he came, they didn't mention that one, so he paid the two to show that he paid something. He just didn't. Yeah, that's all I have.
No, he didn't have to mention that. That's a civil infraction. He could have paid that. Let's see. Failure to stop was paid 9/3/2025. Another failure to stop was paid 9/3/2025. That goes along with the no ops. She's not willing to dismiss. That no ops is going to be dismissed anyway for no recollection. And then the other no ops, he owes a registration fee. I don't know. What is the city saying?
They need to speak with Officer Harris.
It doesn't matter. I can no fine him on that if he wants to take the guilty plea. That's up to him.
So Mr. Garbaldi, how did you want to proceed?
Well,
Well, speak to him. We might need to understand what's going on.
yeah.
Me too. Okay. No fine if he were to accept the plea. Yes, Your
you
Honor.
can work it out. If he doesn't, if he wants to take the deal, then if he wants to just do the no fine, he can do that. I see that he's paid. He owes another civil infraction on top of that as well. So that'll be two related civil infractions he'll have paid for this ticket. Or if you want to see if you can work it out, then give him so he doesn't have to take the guilty plea. Then we'll allow whatever. Just see if you can figure it out.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Follow the prompt, sir.
Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Garibaldi, and wait on Ms. Harris. You should be able to go down there and press the more button at the bottom. That breakout room should always be open to you.
All right. Somewhere in the bottom?
Yeah, go to the more button and it should pop up breakout join room.
No, it just says audio settings, meeting settings.
I'm gonna give you another, I'm gonna send you to another room and send you back.
All right, joining.
All right, let's go. Who are you ready on? Did we get up? Did Mr. Lyons get an attorney? Who are you ready on, Mr. Lyons get an attorney? Who are you ready on, Mr. Mr. Ogletree?
Yes, I'm ready on last name Orozco.
Orozco.
Yeah, we're just requesting a bench trial date. Or sorry, requesting another pretrial date.
We'll go back on the record with Mr. Orozco. Mr. Orozco, are you there?
Yes, I am.
State your name for the record, please.
Marcela Orozco.
Aaron Ocean, Bible, Miss Orozco.
Yes, that's fine.
Pre-trial is the 19th of September.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
At 9 a.m. All right. Best of luck to you. Who's that? Good morning to you. Who's that, sir?
Am I good for the day?
You can go.
You're good.
Okay.
8:30. What is your name, sir?
Christopher Wade.
Christopher who? Worthy. Worthy.
He said he's scheduled at 11:45.
Hold on.
Hey,
Christopher Allen Worthy.
last one I sent you.
You downstairs. You got an exam at 11:45. You got a pretrial on 8/8/98. So you have a pretrial on Monday in Judge King's, and you had an exam in room.
Isn't that one on the 8th on for Zoom?
The one on 8th is Zoom, probably more than likely, in Judge Jefferson's courtroom. What is Judge Jefferson courtroom number?
I think it's 436.
Let's make sure we get them the right number.
Yes, sir. I got it right.
Yeah. Good morning to you, Mr. Ward.
Good morning to you.
All right, Mr. Ogletree, who are you ready on now?
If Jamil Gillespie is having technical difficulties, but he wanted to ask for either another pretrial date or a bench trial date.
I don't have Jamil Gillespie. Where is he? I don't see it. I never saw Jamil Gillespie.
Let me just double check.
Oh, Jamil Gillespie.
Yes.
You
I
spoke
have
with
him
him?
on the phone, but he's having technical difficulties.
All right. City of Detroit versus Jamil Lamont Gillespie, case number SP. What's his date of birth?
Mr. Gillespie, can you give your date of birth?
2006. City of Detroit versus Jamil Gillespie, case number SP 1738111, SP 173811121. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Olsen, about for Mr. Gillespie. Can you state your name, sir?
Jamil Gillespie.
Is he the young Gillespie?
He is young, yes.
All right, trial date, October the 13th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Gillespie.
Have a good weekend, Your Honor.
You're done?
I believe so.
We still have Michael Lyons needs an attorney, so I don't know who Miss.
Your Honor, I just got a call from Miss Carter, from Judge Carter on Lyons to handle.
All right, Mr. Overstreet, have a good one. Have a very good weekend. Be safe.
Thank you.
Let's call Detroit versus Michael Patrick Lyons. Case number SP 174436111. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Lyons, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Lyons, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. City, this is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to, what do you want to do? I'll let you speak with Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons, go wait in breakout room 7 for Mr. Soroki. He's going to come by. The offer is a fast charge of $500 fine, 12-month delayed sentence, gun safety course, and 20 hours of community service. That's the offer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki. He's gonna come see you, all right? You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room, please. All right, who are you ready on now, Mr. Soroki?
I'm still waiting to hear, to meet with Miss Horn or hear back from her on Alexander Gray, but I'm trying to find Hiram Long to tell him what his offer is. I don't see him.
Here. Hiram Long, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, if he could go to a break, I'll try and put him in a breakout, find and put him in a breakout room so I can talk to him and tell him what his offer is.
Hiram Long.
Or we can tell him on
press
the record.
*6 to unmute yourself, please. I don't know why it's so difficult.
Is he here? If we could just do this on the record, it's fairly simple.
Well, he's here. He's got to understand. He's got to hear it.
Yeah, I understand.
I'm gonna put you out, Mr. Long. Call back in.
All right, very good.
Go talk to Lyons, please.
I will. Thank you. Oh, there's Tamika too. Okay. See it. No.
Daquan Gordon, get him the call-in number as well. Officer Martin, who are you waiting on?
Alexander Gray. I was in the courtroom next door.
Very well.
I'm gonna log back into Zoom.
We got one more. We didn't take care of either. Daquan Gordon, his device keeps dropping off.
You never said.
He said something, he's spoken, but he hasn't, he keeps on, his connection must not be good. Aaron Long has said something, but he doesn't know how to unmute himself.
I just don't know how. Say what? Is that the one we had before? You would have liked that one, Judge. The Mexican place, Galliano.
Galliano. Like you decided you were a good man.
Was that like a couple weeks ago? No, it was big. It was big. You know it's big because they wanted 17 people.
Well, 3 people can eat that. You're like, hey.
All right, there's Long. Back, Hiram Long is back. Where is Mr. Soroki? Oh, wait a minute. Mr. Long? Mr. Long?
Can you hear me now?
I can. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Soroki's gonna come see you. Just wait in the room. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
You're just gonna be in there. Let me pull him out. Check his name.
Ridiculous, man. Yes, can you hear me now?
Hold on. Put you in the room. Put you in the room, sir. I just wanted to name you so he knows you.
Okay. All right. I apologize.
Daquan Gordon. You need to sign in, call in.
What's wrong with you?
There's Daquan Gordon. Call in, Mr. Gordon, so we don't have this. Give Mr. Gordon the number to call in.
Mr. Gordon, you ready to write the telephone number down?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, it's area code 929-436.
We're coming with.
2866.
I'm buying you.
Did you get that, Mr. Gordon?
Yeah, I'm looking for some paper.
Oh, you're not ready to write it down then?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
I'm ready.
This file did not account for 5 cases.
Area code 929
Mayor Pro Chandler.
436 2866.
Okay, let me know when you need.
Okay. Do you have it, sir?
Okay.
And look at everything.
Okay, need some just.
Okay, we'll do.
Oh, let me know, baby. Oh, you didn't take it. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, today's Friday.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor, my client wishes to set this matter for a bench trial.
All right, trial date, October 13th, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Lyons. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
1 second, Judge. That's going to be by Zoom, is that correct?
That's, yeah, that's.
I got
that's
929-436.
All right, you got that, Mr. Long?
October 13th, 2025 at 9 o'clock, Your Honor?
9 o'clock.
Okay, Zoom trial. Very good.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Lyons.
You too. Have a good day.
I go to breakout room 8 for Hiram Long.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Jaquan Gordon.
Yes, all I have is 929-436.
2866.
2866.
So 929-436-2866.
Yes, call that number now and enter the Zoom ID.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm visiting my son in foster care.
That's okay.
But I'm gonna call right now.
Just give him a call right now so it won't, that way you don't get disconnected.
Right. Here I go.
All right.
Got you. Got you.
Let's go back, let's go call the city of Detroit versus Hiram Richard Long. Case number SP 1729713, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1731380, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1750610, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1751051. Appearance for the record, please.
Hiram Richard Long.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, we had Officer Corporal Latch appear. We had Ianetta appear. The only one I don't recall seeing is Rio, BREBRO. Did you get an updated offer?
Yes, Your Honor. The offer is on the fail to stop upon request, ticket ending in 9171, or I'm sorry, 7131. It's going to be, that is going to be reduced to limited access 1 to 5. The driving license suspended ending in 713, count 3, will be reduced to failure to display. The driving while license suspended ending in 058, count 1, will be reduced to failure to display. The no seatbelt ticket will be dismissed, and the remaining tickets will be, I'm sorry, the no seatbelt ticket will be a plea. will be PREA responsible. The remaining tickets will be dismissed, which
So we
is,
got three different pleas here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, three different,
Three different cases he's pleading to?
one, two. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's
Is that it? I don't know. You don't sound too sure, Mr. Soroki.
No, I'm positive.
He's
No,
pleading to three.
he's pleading to the number of tickets is 4 tickets because
Four
there's
tickets.
yeah,
Okay,
sequence.
4 tickets. So what is it? 2 failure to displays, 1 limited access, and 1 seatbelt, correct?
Yes.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Long?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, it's up.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses? 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood
I'm
those
having
rights?
problems with my phone. I apologize.
Sorry, did you understand
I
those
was having
rights?
problems. Yes, I understand the rights, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about the rights?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to July the 2nd, 2025, at around 12:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Grand Boulevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor, I was.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, you did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I didn't.
And why is that?
Because I don't have a valid driver's license right now, Your Honor.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display.
Yes, because I didn't have it yet. I was guilty.
Very well. Let me draw your attention back to May the 20th, 2025, at around 5:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Mac. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I think I do. Yes, I do.
And were you operating a motor vehicle then?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license on that occasion?
Yes.
These tickets for, all right, and you couldn't do that as well?
Yes.
Because you didn't have a license, sir?
No, I didn't have it, but no, I didn't have it. No.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display on that matter. These tickets for these civil infractions, this officer did not appear. Do you still want to go ahead and take those? I guess we could amend.
No, if he didn't show up, no, I don't have to take those, Your Honor. I already got to pay.
I'm not talking.
I'm sorry. Oh,
I'm not talking to you, Mr. Long. I'm pretty. You get to talk to your lawyer about it, but I was really directing that question to your attorney. But he kind of answered it. It is his cases. He doesn't want to take the deals on those. Now, here's the deal. we can amend I'm sure we can amend the no insurance or the defective rate
Yeah.
to the 1 to 5 over. But those are no points. Do you want to go back and renegotiate with the city on that, Mr. Soroka?
I've talked to Prosecutor Horn, and she didn't want to negotiate on anything. And the one ticket for failure to stop upon red, that's a 6-point ticket that's being reduced to a no-point ticket. So his
No,
officer.
that's not, that stop upon,
Clear.
that one is not gonna be reduced because that's a
Don't
misdemeanor.
stop.
Long, you're gonna have to be quiet. Mr. Long.
I'm not talking. That's not me talking, Your Honor.
Somebody in the background of you talking.
That's not me. My name is Hiram Long. I haven't said a word, sir.
Somebody in
else
your
talking.
background is. Listen, that can't be reduced from a civil infraction to a misdemeanor. It cannot be reduced. From a misdemeanor to a civil infraction.
Okay, I thought there was a prosecutors had said like a couple weeks ago that they're doing it now.
Can they? Just try to reduce it.
You just can't make.
Yep.
Well, what's the?
It's just the word name.
Oh. I don't know the difference. Go ahead and see if you can put, that's SP 172-97131. SP 172-97131.
It's just the word.
All right, let's see. Can't amend it, but can't reduce it. We should try to reduce it for limited access 1 to 5.
No contest.
What you said, it's limited access, so it's gonna be a civil infraction. So it's.
You put that R right there. Okay. So are you assuming that you like?
I can. You can.
So,
Limited access.
Wow. Limited access.
It won't let you. No, that's her job. I don't have access. I don't want
And what's the?
limited access 1 to 5. Per the city attorney.
Statute should.
There it is. Got to enter it as a new case. He's got to rewrite. He's got to dismiss and rewrite. I am right again.
Okay. Well, we will.
I thought Mr. Long taught me something today.
I'm sorry. One more time. Oh, you got it. Now you got me off break.
I thought you taught me something today, but no, I was right. You can't reduce a misdemeanor to a civil infraction. The only way that that's going to be accomplished is if the officer is willing to dismiss the case and rewrite it as a civil infraction. Well, Mr. Mathis is trying to find an email. I don't know.
Excuse me, Your Honor. What we got to do?
I don't know. Go back and talk to the city attorney. You know, I don't understand what it doesn't want to negotiate anything. This is what this is all about, negotiations.
Well,
right, Mr.
Exactly. Hey, if you don't negotiate, everything goes to trial. All the cases go to trial.
Everything goes to trial.
Right.
Mr. Long, just
I ain't trying to go. I ain't trying to do that.
All
right.
Please just be quiet, Mr. Long. We're just discussing out loud, okay?
Okay. Go back to breakout room, or I'll just go.
Breakout room 8.
Okay.
I'm about to pray.
Okay.
I'm putting you back in the breakout room, Mr. Long.
Your Honor, it's Officer Martin again. I was speaking with Shannon Walker early, city prosecutor, and she said as of 2 weeks ago, they're allowing misdemeanors to civil infractions, but I don't know what the system says on how to do all that. But I was talking to her about it earlier today. They just started
All
allowing
right,
it.
here, Ms. Marcus just got it. Let's see. All right.
Oh, wow.
All right, Ms. Mathis messed up then.
Let me go back.
I don't know.
Excuse me, Your Honor. For that count of 7131, that was my ticket that I wrote him for the no insurance. If there is no way of actually bringing that down to a civil infraction, I'm good with dismissing it.
No, she's talking about the count one of that ticket.
Oh, okay.
Let me get Mr. Soroki back, say Ms. Mathis messed up. I won't say that. I did already. Does it not work? Okay, let's pass the matter. Is Mr. Gordon here? Who's on the phone at 313-675-7441? Unmute yourself, please. I guess you can do it. Ms. Mathis is trying to figure it out now, Mr. Soroki.
Okay, I have some great news for Alexander Gray when his case comes up.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Alexander Gray.
Well, I
Mr.
don't
Gray,
know if those, Miss Horn's going to check in now, but before we even get started, I just want to let Mr. Gray know that that charge of failure to take PBT, the charge he's charged with MCLA 257.625A2 has no, it's a civil infraction, does an abstract, has no license action. So that's
no, it doesn't. I need the file back though.
Okay.
What about the other 5 misdemeanors that weren't accounted for?
She's going to address that now, I guess. And we can just handle it right here.
Ms. Warren?
Who is she?
Yes, she is.
Okay.
Thank you.
What about the other 5 misdemeanors?
They were on the, on my, I highlighted them, they're on my, offer sheet, but I do realize the court is used to seeing offers like on the docket sheet. But those were included.
You didn't? Okay, SP 14373-431 is it, that's a dismissal. But what about SP 1035263 counts 1, 2, and 3?
Likely a dismissal, Your Honor. Yeah.
So all of those are dismissals.
Yep, everything, yep, at the top is,
All right, all right. You want to take the deal, Mr. Gray? So we're pleading to 2 counts of failure to display, 1 count of improper play.
I took the seatbelt off now.
And the seatbelt is going to be dismissed, and then the PBT refusal. So you're going to plead to 2 counts of failure to display, 1 count of improper play, and a PBT refusal. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You, Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 17th, 2025, around 2:53 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Forest and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance and a license.
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have license, and the insurance on the car had ran out. We didn't pay no more.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for no insurance and for failure to display for not having a valid license. That's 2. You stipulate to the PBT refusal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to that. For that stipulation, I find you responsible as charged to the PBT refusal. Let me draw your attention back to he threw the book at you on those other tickets, on all those other tickets, didn't he?
Yeah.
Let's see. We draw your attention back to September the 26th, 2024, around 11:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Marvin Gaye and the Lodge River Service Drive. Did you have any case on that day to come in contact with Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Strike that.
Yes.
Strike that. Strike that. Let me draw your attention. Are we pleading to cases that Officer Robinson Martin Mason appeared?
Tamika Horn, on behalf of the people, it's my understanding, yes, both of those officers
He
did
did.
appear.
Let me draw
Thank
your
you.
attention back to November the 27th, 2024, at around 1:24 a.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Chandler Park. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I didn't have any license.
All right. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I apologize. I'm late. I was supposed to have been at court at 8:30 this morning. I overslept.
All right, hold on 1 second, please.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
Okay.
All right. It's going to be 240 for the one failure to display, 240 for the other failure to display. $240 for the improper plate. I'll dismiss upon payment. I won't fine you for the PBT refusal. What can you pay? Mr. Gray.
Yes, yeah, yes.
Can you pay 240, 240, and 240? And you owe other stuff too, the civil infractions. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay any reinstatement fee.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a month to get it together. Come back on October the 6th, 2025. I'll mark the file allow payment plan. Either get into a payment plan, come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan before that date, or pay it off, pay it any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you can upload the div that after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Gray, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you too. Thank you, sir.
All right, best of luck to you. Is Mr. Quan Gordon here? Who's on the phone? All right, who was that asked me about, let's go back on the record. Mr. Garibaldi, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I believe Ms. Horn would address the court on this one.
Ms. Horn, are you there?
Here, Your Honor.
Okay. Put your hands on the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303.
All right.
Just by way of the update, Ms. Horn, this was the one where we discussed where he did come in and pay the 2 failing to stop matters.
And that's correct, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to speak with Officer Fitzgerald Harris about it, and he's okay with dismissing the misdemeanor in consideration of the payment on the civil infractions.
All right. Pay 2 related civil infractions. All right, sir, I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You still owe the court some money on some other payments, but these cases are dismissed, all right?
All right.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. Thank you, Officer Harris.
Thank
you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Long is in breakout room, in the breakout room 8, Mr. Soroka.
Judge, I'm sorry. What is it that held up his plea?
What held his plea up is, first of all, did you ever get the thing, put it in there? It's in there?
Yes.
All right. Okay, first of all, they had limited access. Okay, so we don't have to put that limited access on there. Okay. It's nothing that held it up now. The seatbelt ticket, the officer didn't appear.
Okay.
Officer Latch did appear, Your Honor.
Latch, yeah, that latch did appear. Yes. No, so nothing is holding it up. Nothing is holding it up. Let's bring them back out.
Exactly. Okay, thank you.
The only thing I was holding up was being able to amend that ticket. So, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Hiram Long. Mr. Long,
yes,
we got it figured out. I learned something new today from your case, all right?
Okay.
Now, as of 2 weeks ago, you weren't able to do it before, but as of 2 weeks ago, you weren't able to amend a misdemeanor to a civil infraction. But now apparently you can. So we already took the plea for one of the misdemeanors, right?
Yes.
We took the plea for both of the misdemeanors. You failed. You said you didn't have about the driver's license. All right. So for this one, what we'll do is For the civil infraction, when you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factor face for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now we're straight. All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. So with the other matters dismissed. So you pled to 3 places. You pled responsible for the civil infraction that they amended, and you pled guilty to the two no licenses. I'll fine you for 1 no license, 240, and then the civil infraction, 125. I won't fine you for the other misdemeanor. 240 and 125. When can you pay it?
Okay, 240 and 125.
I'm gonna give you till October the 6th. October the 6th to pay it. I'll mark the file allowed payment plan if you need it. Pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. There's other ways to pay it, but those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Long. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a very pleasant and safe day also. Thank you.
You as, thank
you. Thank you.
Who was the gentleman, all right, Mr. Soroki, hold on, who was the gentleman that needed to speak to me? You can hang up, Mr. Long.
All right.
Who was the gentleman that needed to speak to me about being late? Take your
That
hat,
was me,
take
Your
your
Honor.
yeah.
I apologize. I just
your
woke
name,
up.
sir?
I'm sorry. Dwayne Gates.
Is it D-E-W or D-U-A? E-W?
D-E-W-A-Y-N-E. Gates. Last name Gates.
City of Detroit versus Dwayne Anthony Gates, case number SP 1759861. Appearance for the record, please.
Sir.
Cherokee Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gates, please state your name.
Dwayne Anthony Gates.
All right. Him in the breakout room. Speak to Ms. Harris. See if you can help him out. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
And Your Honor, from the people, just wondering, did Mr. London appear today?
Oh, Mr. London never appeared.
Okay, Lieutenant Rabior? No, there's no defendant for you. Thanks for hanging in there.
All right, Daquan Gordon. What about Gordon? Lieutenant Rabier, be safe out there. Have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Who's on the iPhone I just let in the room? iPhone, what's your name, sir?
Devon London.
You just missed the bus, sir. I don't know why you're so late. Why are you so late?
I was on the phone with the tenants across the street. I'm supposed to be going to court for the tenant down here.
He's talking to somebody else. Come back on the 10th of on the 13th of October.
The 13th of October?
At 9 a.m. Don't be late this time.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Hold on, you said October, you said the 11th? Say that again,
right
your phone.
Now. Write it down, October 13th.
October 13th. All right.
And Your Honor, I'm also checking on Shamika Lane. I believe she was here. I'm not sure if it resolved.
Yeah, she's resolved hers.
Okay, Haupt, Officer Haupt, you're all set.
Thank you.
Yeah, be safe out there, Officer Haupt.
Thank you.
For Officer Purse, I'm not sure if Shania Harris showed up.
I don't know if we ever had a Shania Harris. That doesn't sound like us.
Okay, thank you, Purse.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Be safe out there, officer. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know what the, who's on that telephone at 313-675-7441? 313-675-7441. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has been advised of his rights. He wishes to enter a plea. We're hopeful that that would be an amendment to improper plea. I thought Ms. Horn was still here.
I'm still here.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, not at all. Not at all.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Say that again.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir. No.
We draw your attention back to July the 17th, 2025, around 7:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Lenox. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? He got an OWI arrest out.
Oh, in that case, Your Honor, could we please check the status of that to see if these should stay
I
together?
don't know if it ever came up.
Is it possible for me to speak?
Please hold first. Hold on for a second
Okay.
before you say anything that might not be in your best interest.
Okay.
I don't know if it ever came up. It's never come up into the system.
That's exactly what I was just about to say. I was looking for it. I never saw it anywhere on my case or.
Why didn't you let Ms. Harris know this?
Because I don't know, honestly, because it never showed up on my paperwork. It never came to me in the mail. You know, usually when something comes to you in the mail on a court date, everything be there. Or I can look online on 36th District and I can see.
Not on the OWI arrest.
Okay.
Not on OWI arrest. They're probably checking if they took blood or did what did matter data amount. Those cases don't get charged right away.
Oh yeah, because the officer, I mean, man, I don't know. I'm just like she said.
Go back and speak to him in the breakout room, Ms. Harrison. If he still wants to take the plea, we'll let him take the plea.
Okay.
Rejoin the room, Mr. Gates.
I'm waiting on the invite now. Oh, right here. Okay.
Juan Gordon. Who's on the telephone at 313-675-7441? All right, I'm not getting to Quan Gordon. He keeps on trying. It's an defective equipment ticket, $120. Quan Gordon, somebody now they muted themselves. All right, now they're back unmuted. 313-675-7441. Who is that? 313-675-7441. Hello?
Everybody's gone.
Okay, who's on the phone at 313-675-7441?
Daquan Gordon.
There we go. All right, Mr. Gordon, let's go back on the record with Mr. Daquan Gordon. Mr. Gordon, your offer is pleading to the defective equipment as charged and then dismissing the other matters. You want to take the deal?
Yes.
It doesn't have any abstractions. It's $120. Mr. Berry, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as amended count of defective equipment, $126. Strike that $120. You already owe $156 on an old red light ticket. I'm just concerned about the one on 20. When can you pay it?
Well, I told you I was in the treatment center, but I was able to pay that 58 like you told me.
Did you get a license?
No, I didn't get. I paid the 58, but I wasn't able to get to the Secretary of State.
Okay, so none of this is going to affect you. When do you get out of the treatment center?
I got another month. I got another half a month I can leave, but it's 3 months in all. Well, 4 months in all. I'm sorry, but I'm in my second month.
Can you take care of it in 90 days?
If they let me start working, because sometimes you gotta have so much time in before they let you start working.
All right, come back August, December the 5th. I'll give you time. How's the treatment going?
It's going good.
All right, December 5th, I waived the warrant fees. That saved you $150, so it's 156 and 120. December 5th, you can call them and probably get into a payment plan if anything, but if December 5th you're not out, then call us back, all right?
Okay, so how much I owe now?
120 plus 156.
156. Okay. Thank
120
you.
for the day, 156 for the old stuff.
For the old stuff?
Yep. For the one, the other stuff, the other old stuff got dismissed.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
If you don't have any further questions, we wish continued success in the treatment program, sir, and best of luck to you, all right?
All right. Thank you.
All right, have a good day. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is it gonna change, Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor, my client wishes to resolve that no insurance matter today.
All right, well, we already took we already swore him in, didn't we?
Yes, sir.
Oh, on July the 17th, 2025, around 7:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Lennox, did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a 2006 Buick?
Yep.
Sure. Did you get the officer asked you to produce valid insurance?
Yep.
Is that your Buick?
Yes, sir. That's my car. Yes.
All right. You couldn't do so, could you?
No. Well, actually, I did. It was just it's expired. My insurance was like a month or 2 months expired.
So you couldn't produce it?
Yeah.
Because
Actually,
when I'm talking about insurance, I want valid insurance.
yeah, I understand. I understand. It was invalid.
Guilty. Find your client guilty. $240. When can you pay it?
I can pay it right now.
Pay it by Monday. Come back Monday morning.
Will I be able to do it off DivDad? Go on the app and pay it on there? Okay, because I've been trying to search it up on there for so long and it's never popping up.
Well, it wasn't going to pop up. Now it's going to pop up as soon as Ms. Mathis puts it in, because you can't pay a misdemeanor. You can pay a civil infraction, but you can't pay a misdemeanor. Now with Ms. Mathis, when you see the 240 in there, I'm gonna put a review for Monday. It should be in there this evening. I'll put a review for Monday. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. If it's not paid, I need to see you Monday morning at 8:25. All right.
Sir, I'll have that money paid before the day is over with.
Okay, very good. Be safe, Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, have a very good rest of your day, all right?